So that's the first one.
Okay. Let me do x is 2 greater than y. Okay, x equals y add 2.
Yeah, brilliant.
And then
What about the other one?
x is 5 times bigger than y. So x equals y times 5.
Yeah, y times 5. Brilliant. There should be an equal sign in there.
X equals y times. What is the value of x in each case when y equals 11? What is the value of x when? Okay, 6. 6.
Not 6 for the first one.
Because if 5y, yeah, it has to be 2 greater than.
So x is
22.
y plus 2, and y is 11.
Y is, okay,
So we substitute that in, so we say
13.
x is...
13.
Yeah, 13. Brilliant. Really good. 11 plus 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is 13.
Yeah.
Brilliant. What about the next one?
Yeah. And now, what is the value of x? So 2i. X equals 11 times 5 equals 55.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
What do you think? Easy, hard?
Yes.
Get it? Don't get it?
Yeah, it's easy. It's easy.
It's easy? Okay. Right, we'll try something harder then. We'll move on to this shapes question underneath.
Yeah.
So write the formula for the area of each shape below in terms of the given letters.
Write the formula for, okay, formula for A of each shape below. Okay, okay. A equals, right, enter A. Okay, 1 second.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, how do you, B, okay, A equals B, yeah.
B?
Yeah, B times
Yeah.
H.
B times H?
Yeah.
There's one little thing missing from the area of a triangle. Do you know what that is?
Area. Formula. Base times width.
Base times height, but there's one thing missing from in front.
Width. W. A.
Not A.
Width. W. Yeah.
A half?
How is that? How is it a half?
Because this was just something that you would know, like you would have learned. So if you didn't know it, then you've learned it now. So a triangle, if you imagine a square like this, and the square has a height of H and a base of B.
Yeah.
What's the area of the square?
A equals B. 1 whole. Because that's a whole.
Equals B times H, yeah? Because it's a whole square?
Yeah, so if it's a triangle, it's half.
Yeah, brilliant, because a square is made up of 2 triangles.
So B, this one, let me just put a dot, that purple DC. B, that would be equal to a half.
This one.
Yeah.
So this is just the different question.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one, this is like, I don't even know what you call this shape. Like a house shape,
Yeah.
I guess. So how do you think we might do this one then?
1/2. A equals 1/2.
Right, yeah.
S times T. S times T. And then R. What about the R? Times R. Is it?
So let's say that this was normal numbers for a second. Just gonna throw it out underneath. Let's say this was 3, 4, and 2. Yeah?
Yes.
And we were trying to figure out the area of this shape.
Would we divide them? Because it's half.
So, with just numbers, how would we work this out? Do you have any idea?
Multiply them together.
Yeah, multiply what together?
4 and 3.
4 and 3 to get this area.
Yeah. Which makes 12.
Yeah, and then what do we do?
Then the 2,
Yeah,
divide it by 2.
not quite, because if we divided this by 2, we'd only get the area of one of the triangles,
Oh yeah.
because we've halved the area.
Multiply it by 4. No.
So we've got this, which is the area of the square, which is perfect.
Multiply it by 6 because over here, if you add another triangle, it would make a 4. 4 over here.
So we've got the area of the square.
Yes.
What we're missing is the area of the triangle next to it, this one, this green one.
Yeah. Multiply
Yeah?
by 1.
So what's the area of the triangle? How do we figure that out?
So 2.
We've just done, in part A, 2A, the formula for the area of the triangle.
Yeah, by the half.
Yeah?
So 1.
So it's a half
Yeah.
times the base.
Yeah.
What's the base of this triangle?
4.
Not 4, because
Yes.
4 is the length of this side of the square.
Oh, 3.
3, yeah, because 3, this is 3. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah? So times the base, which is 3, times the height. What's the height of the triangle?
4 and 2. 6.
Not 4,
6.
just the green triangle.
Oh, 2.
2, yeah? So the base of the green triangle is 3, and the height of the green triangle is 2.
So would it be 1.5 because
So it would be a half times 3 times 2, which gives us
6 and then the half. 3 times 2 is 6 and then multiply it by half. How does that 6.5?
is 3, because 6 divided by 2.
Oh yeah, you have to half it.
Yeah, you just half it.
Yeah,
Okay, so now the total area of that shape combined is the square plus the triangle. Do you see that? The purple square or the brown square, I don't actually know what colour this is, plus the green triangle.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm colouring it in, because I've just realised I've got these. The actual shapes, which I should be able to draw. There we go, that's nicer, isn't it? So, if the area of the brown square is 12 and the area of the green triangle is 3, what's the total area of the whole shape?
If that's 3, you just add it together.
Yeah?
9. And
Not
then
quite.
half it,
12
half
plus 3?
12 plus 3 is 15.
15, yeah. That's it. So that's the total area of this full shape.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I knew it would. gonna be 3 because look, let me just put a line. Because you see that? That's the half over here. Yeah? You see that? You see that bit?
Yeah.
Yeah? And if you make it into a hole, it would be a 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. That bit would be a hole, so you just multiply these two together and then add it with this side.
Does that make sense? Where that's come from?
Yeah. Yes.
So, for example then, just to do another example, just so I can make sure we've got this. Oh. I now have a shape that looks like this. Oh.
Yes.
That's coloured in.
Yeah.
This length is 5. This length is 2. This length is 7, and let's do another 5, and then this length, oh, not that length, this length from here to here is 10. So now we'll work out the area of this big shape.
Okay.
So to figure this out, we need to split it up into parts and figure out what each of the parts are first.
Yeah, so that part, okay. This one's going to be 5. 5.
So the red square first,
Yeah.
the area will be
5, 10, no, 5, 7. 5
5
times 7
times 7, yeah,
is 35.
35, brilliant. And what about the area of the orange rectangle?
2 times 10, 20.
Not 2 times 10, be careful.
2.
So 10 is the distance from here to here.
Oh, okay,
Sorry,
Five.
well, from there. So what do we need to do?
5 divided by 5.
Yeah, we need to,
So that'll be 10.
it's 10 plus the length of this one, which is 5.
Yeah.
From here.
Yeah, so 15.
So 15, yeah, so 2 times 15.
Yeah. And then the triangle, it would be just 5.
So how do we work out the area of a triangle again?
Yeah, you half it.
You half the base times the height.
Yeah.
So
This part is also going to be 5 over here. Because over here. Yeah.
yeah,
So it's
yeah. So
it's going to be 5. Because to multiply them two by 10, it's by 5. No, 25. Yeah, half 25.
so it's going to be 12 and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because this one's 5 from that one as well.
Yeah. So you just need to.
And this is 5, so we'll half it.
Oh.
So what's the total area of the whole shape then?
You can just add them up. 35